Hormones and their functions. Hormones are molecules produced by the endocrine system that send messages to various parts of the body. They help regulate your body's processes, like hunger, blood pressure, and sexual desire. While hormones are essential to reproduction, they are fundamental to all the systems of your body. Hormones are defined as chemical substances that help in coordinating the functioning and growth of living organisms in the human body. Different types of hormones have different functions and they all serve the body in their own ways in order to keep it healthy. Different types of hormones present in the human body are insulin, pancreas, thyroid hormones, progesterone, estrogen, prolactin, serotonin, testosterone, growth hormone, adrenaline, cortisol. The functions of different hormones are insulin, pancreas. The pancreas located in the abdominal cavity of the stomach is responsible for secreting insulin. This hormone helps the body to utilize the sugar or glucose obtained from the carbohydrates present in food, to produce energy and for storing glucose for future use. Additionally, insulin also helps in keeping the blood sugar levels normal. Thyroid hormones. The thyroid gland secretes two hormones, primarily thyroxine, T4, and triiodothyronine, T3, and they are responsible for regulating the body's metabolism. In addition, these two hormones control and determine the body's energy levels, hair growth, skin condition, body weight, etc. Progesterone. The hormone progesterone is produced in the female reproductive organ, known as the ovaries. It is generally produced when a woman gets pregnant and is responsible for many bodily functions. Most importantly, progesterone prepares the body for pregnancy, conception, and controls the monthly period cycles. In case pregnancy does not happen, the progesterone levels drop and menstruation takes place. Estrogen. Estrogen is the one type of hormones which is female sex hormone that is released by the ovaries and is responsible for menopause, menstruation, and pregnancy. If the estrogen levels fluctuate, then it can cause a few bodily changes. In case the levels drop, it can lead to hair fall, thinning skin, skin lesions, acne, etc. Additionally, if estrogen levels are high, then it can cause mood swings, depression, uterine cancer, breast cancer, etc. Prolactin. Post-childbirth, the pituitary gland produces a hormone known as prolactin, which helps mothers to breastfeed. During pregnancy, the prolactin levels shoot up and that contributes to fertility by inhibiting the gonadotropin-releasing hormone, GnRH, and the follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. Serotonin. Serotonin is also known as the mood-enhancing hormone and is related to memory and learning, controls digestion, sleep, mood, and a few muscular functions. Fluctuations in the serotonin levels can have some serious effects. For instance, low levels of serotonin cause cravings of carbohydrates, insomnia, weight gain, migraine, depression, etc. On the other hand, high levels of serotonin can lead to drowsiness, confusion, agitation, etc. Testosterone. Testosterone is the male sex hormone that is responsible for the growth of muscles in the body. It plays a vital part in the development of vital reproductive organs in men, such as the prostate and the testes. Additionally, it facilitates the growth of secondary characteristics such as the growth of body hair and increase in bone and muscle mass. Insufficient testosterone can cause bone weakness and bone fragility. Growth hormone. Also known as somatotropin hormone, growth hormone is a protein hormone, which has 190 amino acids. Secreted and synthesized by the somatotroph cells present in the anterior pituitary, these amino acids work towards boosting metabolism, cell regeneration, cell reproduction, and growth. Adrenaline. Adrenaline is secreted by the adrenal gland and helps the human body to respond and think quickly when stressed. In case of stressful situations, adrenaline is released in the blood, which then conveys impulses to organs in order to generate a specific response. It helps in the dilation of blood vessels going to the brain and heart and hikes up the metabolic rate. Cortisol. The main aim of cortisol secreted by the adrenal gland is to control psychological and physical stress. In case of any difficult stressful situations, cortisol helps in regulating the blood pressure, increases the heart rate, respiration, etc. Low levels of cortisol can lead to chronic fatigue syndrome, alcoholism, etc. Similarly, high levels of cortisol can cause high levels of cholesterol, anxiety, high blood pressure, ulcer, etc. How do hormones help our body? Hormones play a critical role in our body's chemistry, carrying messages between cells and organs. Hormones affect our body's functions, from growth and sexual development and mood to how well we sleep. When they are in proper balance, hormones help the body thrive,